Welcome back. We have discussed measurement quality being about accuracy and reliability and how this is all connected to the life cycle management. Hanna is our Managing Director of R&D. Could you please give us a quick recap when we talked about assay development?
During assay development, we start with characterizing our critical reagents, which is usually neglected since it takes time and allocates a lot of resources. When we have our critical reagent in place, we start the optimization, which is an iterative process to ensure that we have an assay that meets the design specification and robust for production. When this is done, we establish and set the final design and start the transfer to production with a pilot scale.
So what does design transfer mean?
Design transfer is a part of our assay development program when we produce the first pilot scale in production to ensure that the assay meets the specification independently of batch size, instrumentation, laboratory technicians, etc.
Is the production different if it's a pilot scale or an ELISA routine production?
With the bigger picture, I would say no. Our production is conducted according to regulatory demands globally, in compliance with ISO 13485 and QSR, Quality System Regulation. Good manufacturing practice is a part of QSR, and this is done independently if the product is fully transferred to production or not.
Could you name 3 essential parameters in production that is in compliance with Mercodia lifecycle management?
First of all, I would say our quality and risk management process overall. Secondly, it will be well-trained and educated personnel that's authorized to be in production and follow and maintain methods and SOPs. And then lastly, to ensure that our equipment, method, computerized systems are fully validated.
How would you describe the production process in compliance with IVD?
We generate specific production documentation for each individual reagent within the ELISA assays. All these together are called device master record. When we start a new production lot, we take a clean copy of the device master record and record each and every step of the production. It could be article and lot number of raw material, equipment, computerized systems, concentration amounts, mixing time, pH, time in room temperature, line clearance. The critical steps are reviewed and authorized by accredited personnel. When the production is finished, the individual components are released for quality control.
Thank you, Hanna.
Thank you.
It was a lot to consider in a thorough production process. Let's take some time to digest this and move on to quality control in the next session. See you then.
See ya.